Bobby, you want to talk us through what's going on with this fridge and a little bit more about what you're doing?
So these are the LG and Kenmore series models that have a defective compressor. The new style compressor requires software updates and replacement of the compressor like we are doing here. But in order to do so, we have to braze in the new components, as you see me doing here. Because you're not just brazing them in copper to copper. In some cases you're doing dissimilar metals like I'm doing currently right now. The heat treat, the type of material you're using, flux, all of these are critical. And it's not just something that's the type that you buy. It's a technique that takes time to learn. One of the biggest flaws that most technicians face when they do this one is they don't take the heat away. They get it too hot. It's just like bacon. You gotta get the temperature just right, and then let it go. But I have a simple motto with this, and that is put it on nice and thick and it'll stick. Don't try to do less.